Parang sinasabi po, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, sa blurred yung lugar na merong tatawag sa inyong Edward. Pakibigay ng inyong account number, legit po yan. God bless. I'm showing you also next. I'll also show you a screen cap of the portion of the affidavit of former Yusek Mercado, a former employee in DepEd. Basahin ko po. Number 5. Although the exact date evades recollection, sometime during the course of my tenure with the DepEd, a member of my staff informed me that an inquiry was made by one of our officers in the field that Mr. Fajarda had made inquiries about the bank accounts of several individuals, and if divulging such information to Mr. Fajarda was permitted. My office confirmed that it was upon the instruction of the Office of the Secretary. Evidently, it would appear that regional directors and other employees on the field would also receive sums on top of the regular salaries. So, Mr. Fajarda, bakit po kayo humingi ng mga bank details nila?
Mr. Chair, ang nakalagay po kasi dito ay regional directors.
Pero ang sinasabi niyo po, sino po yung hiningan niyo?
Superintendent po.
Whether
Superintendent po.
superintendents po or regional directors, bakit po kailangan humingi ng personal bank details?
Actually po, I was instructed by VP Sara.
Base po sa instruction ni VP Sara.
Yes,
Nagpapadala po ba kayo ng pera sa mga accounts na to?
May napadalhan po ako pero hindi po, I mean hindi siya lahat.
Hindi lahat ng superintendents.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano po pinipili kung sinong padadalan at hindi padadalan?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, yung pong nagbigay ng mga account numbers, kasi during po kasi sa pag-iikot ni VP Sara, nakita po niyo doon na yung pong superintendent gumagastos po ng sariling pera nila sa kanilang office field work po nila.
Pero Mr. Fajarda, kung titignan mo sa screenshot, yung lahat po ng superintendent sa Region 7 ay inyo pong kinontak at hiningan. Ibig sabihin silang lahat to na bigyan?
Your Honor, actually hindi ko kilala lahat ng superintendent. I'm not sure kung, basta ang alam ko lang po hindi po lahat.
So, granted no, kung ano yung sinabi yung reply. Ang tanong ko po, pag nagpapadala po kayo ng pera dito, personal account yung pong ginagamit or official account ng DepEd?
I mean, account number po nila.
Account number nila. Saan po nanggagaling yung pera na pinapadala po ninyo?
Binibigay po yun sa akin ni VP Sara.
Si VP Sara mismo, hindi through Attorney Sunshine?
Si VP Sara po, yung pong for that specific instruction.
So ito pong lahat ng pagkakataon, pag naging panauhin po namin ang mga superintendents at regional directors, we would expect that that would be the response, no, na hindi ho lahat at hindi po regular.
Hindi po lahat kasi kasi sobrang dami po niyan at hindi po regular.
Okay. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you po.